In this video, I want to show you how to change the inputs of your Philips Roku TV if you have lost or if you don't want to use the remote control. Okay, so not many people know that, but under your TV you have a button, and that button is more than simply an on-off button. So if I simply want to show it to you over here, the button is right in the middle here. Maybe on your model is on the right side or left side. It will be very easy to find out. Simply tilt your TV and this is where the button is located. So with your TV turned on, what you need to do now is click on it. Okay, do not keep it pressed. Simply tap it once and you're gonna get this menu on the left side. If you don't do anything, the option that is highlighted in white will be selected automatically. But if you want to navigate in that menu, again, simple tap under, and every time I tap on that button, it will switch between the different inputs of your TV. So we have HDMI 1, 2, 3, AV, and live TV, and even the home screen. You can also turn off your TV if you prefer doing this. So once you want to select an input, let's say AV, leave it there, highlighted, don't touch anything, and it will be selected automatically. To switch, again, simply by tapping once and tapping multiple times, you can go back home this way. It's very useful, very easy. I hope this was useful. Leave a comment down below if you liked this video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.